All right, let's get into it. Let's mark everything up. So for this sale position here, I'm looking at this level here. We have respected it a couple of times now. Just that small little zone there. All depending what this next 5-minute candle does. So we've come in, we've respected this level here. We've come back, we've respected it again. We've come back, we've respected it 3 times. So if this candle doesn't break through on the open, I'm going to be looking at, I'll be happy to go something like this. All depending what this next candle does. On the buy position, I'm going to set the buy position up exactly here. It's a little bit tricky. I think the more conservative entry will be going from here. We've got these 2 wicks here that are lining up nicely, so they've come in and respected it nicely. These wicks, see how none of them are lining up? They're kind of all over the place, so I'm not happy to mark that as a level. This level here, I don't mind too much. It's not too bad. But I think the more conservative entry will be something like that. So we'll go, I'm going to do that for the buy, which I'm going to enter that right now actually. So I'm going to put that buy position in. And then all depends what this candle does. I'll probably wait for the last minute or so to see what we're going to do with this entry here. So the buy position, I'm putting it there. It's going to enter that now. 333.832. 2. Oops. All right, so I'm doing what I have been doing. So I'm going to go 2 small position.
Both these in.
Not yet, not yet on the sale. I'm going to wait for the last minute on the sale, but the buys I'm locking in like that, and that's how I'm setting my 2 positions up. 1 second. Cool. So I've entered that buy like that. Let me know when you need the stop loss. And just wait. We're going to wait on this to see what this wants to do before I enter that trade. So I'll move that away just so it's not confusing. If this does keep pushing, which it is now, it looks like it's breaking through. Our next level, I'm going to go off this failed low test. Oops.
Just quickly, what you got the stop loss at?
I've got my stop loss set at 3337.02 on the buy, and then I'm going to be looking at this failed low test here on the sell. Depending what this candle, if this candle doesn't break through that level, I'm going to be looking at something like that. It might come just slightly lower than usual, because on these candles here, sometimes they'll surpass it slightly, and then continue up, and then continue in the opposite direction. So I'm going to come a little bit lower. Could backfire on me, but doesn't matter. Reacting off this level there. I'm not going to enter that just yet, man. I might enter it manually if it keeps pushing down. But what I'm going to do, if the opening candle heads bullish, I'm going to bring it up to this zone here. I'm going to bring it up to this level here. Just see how the next candle opens.
Yeah, so it's 14 hours, man. Currently, 14-hour flight. I hope it's any longer than that.
Well, that's not too bad. Oh, it is. Actually, to be honest with you, man, anything over 4 hours starts getting annoying. All right, let's see what this one wants to do. We are now officially on. So if this continues to push up, I'm going to bring this level. Fuck, it's a risk. You know what? I'm not. I'm just going to leave it. That's it. Let's put the sell in. I'm leaving it there. Yeah.
So,
Yeah. I'm doing it there. Cool. 33257.
what's your stop loss on that, mate?
3333.81.
Yep.
Cool. Done. Let's put that second position. All right. All good to go. Let's see how it plays out. But yeah, yesterday wasn't too bad, man. Yesterday was good. Good start to the week.
No, yes.
Hopefully get a decent push again today. That'd be nice. Yeah, it does get a lot quieter without Sam here.
I know, man. So,
Yeah, I was just watching yesterday's recording, watching it back, and it was like, man, it's so quiet. I almost need music in the background. But what happens is when you put music on, it cuts in and out of the mic.
yeah.
You know what I mean? So
Right.
you can't have anything.
Get Jimmy in here when Sam's not here.
Yeah, 100%, 100%. There's a lot of selling pressure in the market this morning, man. It's done what it usually does on that open, on the Sydney Open. It pumps up and then drops down. Like it's a common thing. It's a common thing. It does that a fair bit. Like here, pumps up and then dumps down. See that on the 8 a.m. up and then drops down.
Yeah.
I've noticed that lately. Here, pumps up, then drops down. See, it comes up, bang, and then down.
That's a good thing to look out for, man.
Yeah. Like obviously won't happen all the time, but look at that. 8 o'clock, up, down. It's actually happening a lot. I'm actually noticing that a lot. Yeah. 8,
It's a good
up,
thing to notice.
down.
Little shit like that. Little shit like that's a real good thing to notice. It helps.
Yep, and then 8 o'clock again. This one, up, and then slightly down, not too much. But yeah, man, I've been noticing that lately. Yeah, you get that push up and then drop down. Come on. Let's go. Now you could potentially look at, yeah, I don't know. I might look at that. I might do some back testing on that over the weekend.
Man, I would too.
Yeah, it's interesting. Because not only when it comes down, they're big moves. It's not like it just slightly comes down a little bit. Like they're pretty decent moves. Oh, look at that. Lucky we didn't go closer. Tap that perfectly. Does that, man? It's those sneaky little wicks that you don't really take too much notice of because you've got the main zones here. You got the main levels there, so you don't really. But what I've noticed is whenever I see these, like a doji or failed low test, or in the opposite direction, fail high test or doji, a lot of the times it'll come down, break that level, fake you out, and then go back up, which is exactly what it's done there. So if we did go off that level, if we didn't take this into consideration, that candle there, we would have got faked out just then. So I think it's important to always look out for these failed low test or shooting star, whatever you want to call it, or a doji. That surpasses just past that level because it does like to come and respect those levels a lot. Could be the difference between a good trade and a stop out, you know. So I'm really glad. I'm really glad we've done that. A little bit of slippage there. See the gap.
Yeah. What's going on with Troy?
He's just had twins.
Oh
He's
yeah, he
just
just
had,
had his twins,
he's
didn't
just
he?
had kids. Yeah, he's just had twins, man. So he'll be out of action for a while.
Mate, he's gonna be all over the fucking joint.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It might be. I think it might
All
be.
right.
It might be a while before he gets back into this. I think.
So,
It's all right. He'll eventually get back into it.
yeah.
Let me just look at something. All right. Well, that was a bit of an aggressive push down. That open. That candle. Good, man. If it does decide to continue down now, we've already come in and respected this level. So I'd be very surprised if it did come and respect that level again. So hopefully, if it does continue down, it should just break through that level, and then our next zone is down here. And then there's a slight imbalance there, but right there. But hopefully, it can just push straight through that, and then that would be our next level there. And then our next level here. Looks like it wants to. Let's get him. Break through it. Let's go. Ideally, man, the ideal scenario would be break through this level here on this candle. Hopefully get down to here somewhere, and then the next candle opens up and pushes. That would be nice.
Hmm.
That would be the ideal scenario. A minute and a half to this candle closes. Doesn't look like it wants to do that though. Through. Can you hear my daughter screaming?
Oh, not school holidays, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's she doing?
Playing Roblox.
Yeah, pretty. Yeah, nice.
Yep. She's got friends from all around the world now, and they all just get on there and play for hours. It's pretty insane.
Great.
What are you going to give us? Let's go. Well, while it's doing that, I'm going to look at this, the push up, push down thing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, like, if you came up and then you go to the closest level, and then take your position from there, you sell from there. I might just open this up 1 second. I'm going to open this up on another chart so I can see if this breaks out while we go back and look at that. 1 second. Oh, cool. I've got it opened up on another chart now so I can see when we get a breakout. Yeah, so I might back test something like this just to see what happens. So you would have got a 5-1 on that this morning. This one might have been a little bit more difficult, to be honest with you. You'd probably come to the bottom of this wick here. Unless you went to that zone there. Yeah, so it all just comes down to getting the right zones.
Yeah.
If you go that level there, you don't take that manipulation wick into account. Something like that. Some pretty decent moves there. Pretty decent moves. This one here, you probably wouldn't have got a good one. Two to one on that. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna explore that, man. I'm gonna have a look at that. Cool. What else happening? Not much.
That's right. Day.
Fuck, how windy is it, man? Like this whole house feels like it's shaking. Oh, what's it gonna do? What are you gonna give us? Give us something. Give us something. Oh, we're gonna do the UK session tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah, we have to do it tonight. Yep. Tuesday and Thursday, yep. So we'll trade that. I'll make sure I send an alert. Yeah, we can't miss that. It's gonna look at this other chart. What the UK 100 done yesterday. Oh man, this thing is pumping this morning. Holy shit. I wonder what the spreads are on the UK 100 at this time. Oh, I've got this open another chart so I can see if we break through, but check this out.
Yeah.
Look at that, UK 100 this morning. This is the Tokyo Open right there. So we would have marked potentially that level there.
Yeah.
3. Decent move. 3 to 1. Interesting. Let's see, this would have been yesterday. Let's check yesterday. 17. Where am I going? Okay, they're right there. No, they wouldn't have been. Would have been on top of that. No, we wouldn't have gone off that because it broke through it. We would have gone off that level. Back here. What would have happened? We might have got faked out. We might have that wick might have been moving too quick. Probably would have got done with some slippage. Yeah, we probably would have got TP1 validated. Yeah, we probably wouldn't have got that though. That probably would have been a loss. All right, Let's go. This looks like it wants to push. If we can break that level there, hopefully we can enter. We've got this slight imbalance here. If it does decide to continue up, we've got this imbalance there where we may get a reaction from that level. Hopefully we don't, because it's right next to our TP1. And then our next level will be up there somewhere. It's not, doesn't want to break here though. Push, 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 push. It's consolidating between those two zones, which isn't a bad thing. Just means when we do get a breakout, hopefully it's a nice, decent push. Yesterday we didn't get that. Yesterday that big move, like we got the breakout before 11, but that massive move came at 11 o'clock. But hopefully we do get that push that we usually get between 10:20 and 10:30. Give me one sec. What you gonna give us? Is that cut in and out, that music from the mic? No. Soon find out. Oh, that's very bearish. Very bearish candle that. Oh, let's see what this next candle wants to do. If it wants to continue pushing, that's a very bearish close though. Hopefully we can get a decent push. Come on, let's break this level and do it within the next minute. So you got plenty of time for that candle to close. Keep going. Keep pushing. Did that enter me? Let me have a look. Nah. Almost. Almost. It's close. It's good. That means the spreads are good this morning. Oh, lucky that didn't enter us. Damn, that was close, man. That was so close. Make up your mind, dude. Make up your mind. All right, we'll see what happens, man, in the next 10 minutes. If it doesn't enter in the next 10 minutes, I'm just going to leave my positions open. So I've got the sell stop and buy stop orders in. It's moving pretty erratically, though, which I don't like. Anyway, but stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. But yeah, we'll give it another 8 minutes. Yeah, if we don't enter, I'll just leave those positions open. And once we enter one position, I'll close the other one off and vice versa.
Yeah.
Some tunes back on. All right, one more minute to this candle closes. Let's see how what this next candle does. Hopefully we can break through and get a decent move. Oh, I hope this doesn't enter us in the next 20 seconds. That would be a little bit unfortunate. Don't enter us. Do not enter us. 10 seconds. Stay there. Oh no. Stay there. 3, 2. All right, we're in. It got us right on the last second. Hopefully this continues. Damn it, man. Like I say, it's usually fake outs when that happens, but see how we go. Let's get some momentum. There's an imbalance there that it's reacting off. This imbalance right here. Bummer it entered us on that, but hopefully we can continue down. Like literally right at the last 2 seconds, just going, nope. If we can break past this imbalance, we should get a decent push. I would say. There's nothing really else in between it. This level here, but that should be okay. Just need to break through this imbalance. Would be nice. If not, it is what it is. We live to fight another day. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. I know, you just needed to, just that TP1's nice. Just to tap that TP1, it's like, okay, cool. There's some profits there. It's reacting off here, but it's not really a massive zone to worry about. Make up your mind, man. Make up your mind. Really doesn't want to make up its mind, does it? And these last 2 candles were very bearish, so I would expect a big move, but you just never know. Damn. Damn. Not good. Not good at all. Retrace. Tracking from this level. No. This zone there. Come on, man. Make up your mind. Either go down or put us out of our misery.
Right, end it.
Ideally, go down. Ideally. Oh, well, let's break that level now. That's not good. It's broken through here now. Next level would be up to there if it continued up, so we really want it to continue down. It's this next 1 minute. Let's watch a 1 minute candle. A little bit more excitement.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Yeah, that's what we want to see. Keep going down. Keep going. Just needs to break this level again. "13 seconds. Would have been ideal if it closed below this level. That would have been very nice. So anything could happen now. Shame. It's a shame it didn't close below that level.
All right, might have to call it a day, man.
Yeah, we'll just leave it. Well, I'm in this trade. It's all right. If you need to take off, man, take off. I'll
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off.
Yeah, no worries. I'm just gonna wait for a little bit longer to see what happens if we hit our at least hit our take profit or if we get stopped out.
Yeah, sweet.
Cool. I'll catch you tomorrow.
I'll speak to you later.
All right, speak to you.
Oh, tonight.
Yeah, tonight we're gonna jump on for the UK session. Oh, cool.
Yeah, sweet.
All
See you
right,
then.
man. See you, bye. What are you gonna do? Come on. All right, looks like it's gonna. Yeah, all right, stopped out. Cool. We've got a fake out on that. All good is what it is. I am going to leave these positions open. Hopefully we can make up for it on the buy. Come back tomorrow and see how we went. All right, dudes. Catch us tomorrow.